The plants, the animals, as well as the nature is absolutely working as per se. The only person who really defies the laws of nature is the Homo sapiens, the individual, the human being. Each individual is striving to do some type of an activity. At the same time, they are not able to understand what is the type of activity they need to take. The activity depends upon the thought process of the individual. Thereby, when you see an organization, the organization is made out of lots of individuals, and each individual does an action depending upon the thought processes that he has. Only man has the discrimination power to understand what to do, what not to do. In this world, today's generation, today's world, we are seeing that we need to instill into the individual the value of the action that the person has to take. Now, this will depend upon the belief system of the individual. What he believes is what he does. The belief is nothing but thoughts in an individual, which is sometimes takes a lot of power. So when a belief is a good, useful belief, the individual is able to take a very, very positive action. But when the belief is useless, the action taken does not give the result. My dear friends, today, in this world, what India needs today is a revolution. People to understand that where are we going? What's the type of path are we taking? Are we inspired about the way we have to work? Are we inspired as to what we need to do each and every day? Only an inspired path with passion and excellence would lead an individual towards his direction. The values that we have, the way our thought process, the quality of thought processes, which gives out a quality action towards the production of an organization, is the call of the day. Every organization that I have gone to keep asking me, what can we do to enhance the quality of life, the quality of living of our people? I feel really good that this is a thought process that the organizations have, because they want the best for the people. As the organization, like I said, is made out of individuals, is it a responsibility of each and every individual who makes the organization to take that ownership on himself or herself as to how do I put my best? When I want to put my best action, what are the barriers and limitations I have? Is this limiting me? Is this belief giving me the result I want? Am I taking myself to the next? Am I evolving myself to the next level? So thoughts, like I said in the beginning, thoughts are produced in the mind. It forms actions, and this actions has to give a result. What's the reason this result is not coming? It's because of the barriers and limitations we have. The barriers of the past experiences. The barriers of fear. Unnecessary fear not to take the next step. Giving blames and excuses and responsibility. This is true, my dear friends, because each one of us are going through it. The only difference is some of us maneuver these barriers and make sure we reach what we want to reach, no matter what. The courage that we need to take in order to face all the challenges is the call of the day. I keep saying, recently I've been talking that be a lion a day than a goat a million years. When I see people, I see a lot of children, I see youngsters, I see parents, I see teachers, I see people in the organization, the ones small thing that they have is fear. Always constantly getting, scared about this, scared about that. Now let us see how we can remove this fear, instill the confidence, instill the courage, make ourselves feel that every day is a day, my day, a day where I feel strong enough to face the challenges, and at last but not the least, celebrate my life. That is every moment of my life. Do I celebrate it with passion, excellence? That's a question.